My name is Obtusime Gift. This is Calvary University, the Department of Applied Design and Fine Art, and I'm in year 2. And today we are going to be showing you one of our projects that we are executing. And this is one of the projects that we are having, the ones that when we are using disposed of boxes to make a flower vase that is water resistant and can be either used as a decoration or you can put your flowers inside. And let me take you through these processes that we pass through while making our flower vase. So here is this is the geometric stage where we use different measurements to make the body of our flower vase. Then these are some of the materials that we always use. Here we are using, these are newspapers, and these are disposed of boxes that we collect from the environment such that we can execute a nice artwork out of these. So this is the first stage that is got from this, where we get these boxes, we make them together, put them together, join them to make a beautiful body or like a beautiful outlook. Then after putting the boxes together, then we will bring the newspapers that have been disposed or collected from the environment or other papers, such that we put and we cover these boxes that we had put. Then after covering the boxes, then we have to put a layer that until when we make the body that we know now it can hold and resist the water if it is to be put with flowers and soil and any other thing. Then after this is the third stage where we are going to put the acrylic primer. The reason why we put acrylic primer is that here the acrylic primer, when it dries, it becomes water resistant. So it will have the capacity to hold water when it is dry. So when it is wet, it might not look water resistant, but when it is dry, you put in water and it is not able to pass through that layer. Then after, we then put our acrylic color, and this acrylic color is the one that enables a beauty, like it brings out the beauty of the vase. You put out any color that you wish, you put in the colors, like you mix up different colors of your choice in order to come up with this. Then we go to our fifth stage, where here we decorate using any style that you want according to the source of inspiration. For example, you can use dots as you see, then sometimes you can use flowers, you can use leaves, you can use balls, depending on how you want your outlook to be looking like. Then here, thereafter, our final stage here, now we use the acrylic color to make this wire painting method. So in this wire painting method, we bring out the acrylic, you join them together, you put one layer after the other, such that you find the acrylic color looks like a range of wires together. So that is our project for you. We thank you, and this is our project. It is one of the projects that we are executing. Thank you for watching.